Think your online activity is safe? Think again. Every time you connect to public Wi-Fi, hackers could be watching your data. But there is a way to stop them using a VPN. And guess what? It works on all phones, not just my Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're using an Android or an iPhone, this is for you. Stay with me. I'll show you step by step how to secure your internet connection in seconds. Don't scroll away. Your security depends on this. There are two ways to do this. One is by using an app, VPN app, and the other is a manual setup. And I will not be teaching that one because that's for advanced users. All you do is you go to Google Play Store. So this is my Play Store, and you search for a VPN app. Just type in VPN app, and there are lots and lots of them that you can choose from. I'm not recommending anyone. I'm not recommending any of them. I already have a Norton VPN. But if you go to Google Play Store, you see lots and lots of them. So let's say I choose this one, the first one that's just showed here, and I choose to click to install. So I'll just tap install, and I'll open the app once it's done. So once it's installed, you can go ahead and open the app. And again, this is a random selection that I chose. There are lots of them that you can choose from. So when you do that, you can either, for this particular app, it's showing that you can continue as guest, or you can sign in if you already have an account. So I'll just go continue as guest. Let's see what it shows me. So yeah, so most of this you have to pay. I'm sure you can find free one if you search very well, but you can select your how, if you want to pay monthly or whatever. But right now I'll say not now. I don't want to sign up. So following this, so once if you assuming you selected to create an account, sign up, the next thing will be to connect, and then it will ask you to use a default location, or you can choose a specific country. Like now it's showing me it auto selected for me, right? Free server location: Japan, Netherlands, Romania, USA. Or if you want to select a specific one, then you go to the pay one. That's what it looks like here. So you choose a country. You either choose a default location, or you choose a. So once you set this up, your internet connection is now secured with VPN. The second way of doing this is to manually set it up, but I won't be treating that today. To get this VPN on iPhone, please check the description of this video for the step-by-step instruction. Now that your phone is protected, you can browse safely without fear of hackers or trackers. If this was helpful, hit that like button, share this with friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay secure, and see you in the next video.